By default, your iPhone captures photos in HEIC format. HEIC stands for High Efficiency Image Container and is the format that Apple adopted with iOS 9. The benefit of using HEIC format is that it delivers better images with smaller file sizes. That said, HEIC is still not universally adopted as PNG or JPG formats. You can go into the iPhone camera settings, formats, and set it to the most compatible to take pictures in JPG format, but then you won't get the benefits of HEIC format. Thankfully, there are two methods you can use on your Mac to convert HEIC to JPG format for free. The first method involves using the preview app. Double-click on the image you want to convert to open it into the preview app. Now go to the file menu and click the export option. Click the drop-down menu next to the format option. Here, select the JPG option and use the slider to adjust the quality of the image. Finally, click the save button to save changes. While the preview app works great, the Quick Actions menu gives you an even quicker way to convert images from HEIC to JPG format. Right-click or control-click on the image and hover your mouse over the Quick Action menu. Choose the Convert Image option and click the Convert to JPG button to convert the file. And that's it. That's how you can convert HEIC to JPG format on Mac. We hope you found this guide useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content.